Before you spend your money on the Ornexis EMS Foot Massager, there are a few important things you need to know, because what's shown in the ads and what you actually receive can be very different. Ornexis is marketed as a home electrical muscle stimulation foot massager that claims to relieve foot pain, calm nerves, improve blood circulation, and even help you sleep better at night. With ads promising fast results, high ratings, doctor endorsements, and thousands of so-called transformed lives. On the surface, it looks convincing, but when you dig deeper, several red flags start to appear. The so-called doctor endorsement used in promotions turns out to be a stock image, not a real verified medical professional, and many of the glowing reviews shown on the website appear fabricated or copied, with claims of Trustpilot ratings that don't match what real users are actually reporting. On Trustpilot and other review platforms, multiple customers mention poor build quality, devices stopping after a short time, weak stimulation, or receiving a product that feels very cheap compared to the price paid. Another concern is the return policy, where buyers are often required to ship the product back to China at their own expense, which can cost almost as much as the device itself, making refunds impractical. When you compare the Ornexis EMS mat to similar products online, you'll find nearly identical EMS foot massagers being sold on Alibaba and other wholesale sites for as little as $1 to $3, strongly suggesting this is a rebranded dropshipping product sold at a massive markup. That doesn't automatically mean it won't work for anyone, but it does mean the marketing creates expectations that may not match reality. If you're considering Ornexis, it's important to weigh the claims against real customer feedback, understand what you're actually buying, and decide whether price and risks make sense for you.